Good evening, everyone. News, because this is newsworthy right now, and I want you to listen to this news because this is really, I think, an interesting news for everyone. It says in here, headline: Tonga eruption equivalent to hundreds of Hiroshima bombs, NASA says. The volcanic eruption in the South Pacific Kingdom of Tonga peaked on January 15 with more explosive force than 100 simultaneous Hiroshima bombs, NASA scientists reported on Monday, January 24. Using a combination of satellite and surface-based service, researchers calculated the explosive power of the volcano based on the amount of rock that was removed during the blast from the island of Tonga Hapai, where it sits, the apparent height of the eruption cloud, and several other factors. This is a preliminary estimate, but we think the amount of energy released by the eruption was equivalent to somewhere between 4 to 18 megatons of TNT, Gene Garvin, chief executive of NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, told NASA's Earth Observatory blog. That makes the Tonga eruption potentially hundreds of times more explosive than the atomic bomb that the United States dropped on Hiroshima, Japan in August 1945, which is estimated to have exploded with 15 kilotons or 15,000 tons of energy. It also makes Tonga the most powerful volcanic eruption seen on Earth in more than 30 years since the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991. That is the news given by NASA. Alexander Lexa Jules. See you on the next news here on my channel.